Welcome back to Mad Chef Season 2. We are back, finally. It's been a long layover here, and we are ready. We've got some new products, new recipes, new sponsors coming at you. Today, we are sponsored by JKJ Processing here in Oklahoma City. One of our new products that we have out on the market right now is Mad Chef Cannabis infused sriracha ketchup, 140 milligrams. Right now, I'm going to show you how to use this. So let's get to cooking.